Good day, class. Today we'll be looking at some everyday vocabulary and expressions. We will also learn to count up to 20 in French. Let us start with the times of the day. Le matin, which means morning in French. L'après-midi is afternoon in French. L'après-midi. Le soir is evening in French. Le soir. Let's look at the words for days, the day's meals in French. Les repas. Le petit déjeuner is breakfast. Le déjeuner is lunch. Le dîner is dinner. In French, the expression j'ai faim means I'm hungry. J'ai faim. And the expression j'ai soif means I'm thirsty. J'ai soif. You can try saying that along with me. Yes. Class, let's now look at some French words for fruits in French. Une orange is an orange. Une banane is a banana. An ananas is a pineapple. Une papaye is a pawpaw. Une mangue is a mango. It is important that you learn how to count in French. This will enable you to tell time and also deal with numbers. Let's begin by looking at the numbers from 1 to 20. Un is 1, deux is 2, trois is 3, quatre is 4, cinq is 5, six is 6, sept is 7, huit is 8, neuf is 9, dix is 10. Okay, good. Now from 11 till 20. Onze is 11, douze is 12, treize is 13, quatorze is 14, quinze is 15, seize is 16, dix-sept is 17, dix-huit is 18, dix-neuf is 19, and vingt is 20. All right, very good, class. Thank you for your attention.